everyone, welcome back. In this session we would learn how to solve the practice problem Java override. So first let us understand the question and then we would solve it. So the first thing that would come into your mind is what is override, right? So basically we have two classes. One is the parent class, second is the child. Okay, now basically the parent has given all its method variables and everything to the child. Okay, basically child has inheriting everything from the parent. Okay, now what I can do is I have, for example, I have a function over here. If in the child class, what I can do is I can override the function. By override I mean that I have the same method, same variable, same everything. Okay, but I change what was happening in that function. For example, over here q plus q was taking place, but because the child has everything from the parent exactly in the same manner, I can override this method and I can write q multiply q. Now I have changed it, right? Earlier it was addition, now this function is for multiplication. So like this I have overridden the parent class. Okay, so this is the point of overriding and this is what we have to do. We have a child class, we have a parent class, and we need to override a function. So I hope this was clear to you. Now let's solve it. So for doing this you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, you need to choose school. Okay, after choosing school you need to find the problem. 1 minute, let's find the problem. That is Java override. So let's find it. Java override. So here is the problem, Java override. Once you find it, you need to click on solve. Okay, now let's solve it. Okay, now see, this is the theory which you can read. Okay, now let's move forward a little bit. Okay, here is the task that we need to do. Your task is to create a method named print, okay, in class child, which overrides the method print of the parent class. Okay, we are overriding a print method. Now next part is parent class such that it prints the square of the input integer. It is printing the square of the input. In main function, instance of both classes are made and all methods are called in. So I just need to override the print thing. Okay, so I would code it over here. Okay, so now let's do it. So over here I just need to write system dot out dot 1 minute println. After this circular brackets. Now I need to override it, right? And I need a square. So I would write q star q, that is square, plus single quotes, that is for the space, and after this I would add a semicolon. Now I have overridden the method, but I am not sure if this is correct or not. So I would click on compile and run. So let's wait. Let's see. Compilation is done. And my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the problem. Let's wait. So the problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the practice problem Java override. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was helpful for you, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel. And thank you for joining me today. Thank you.